All right, so this is my robot. I just flipped the switch, which I have right here. And yeah, the lights are on, it's got power. Cords are going from the H bridge. They're all nicely packed together, except for the switch one, which is over here. They're all zip tied together, and they all head to their respective slots on the Arduino board, which is the analogs as well as all of those fun wires, the jumpers as well. Because my breadboard isn't in the best shape, it's came broken, I had to add a bunch of jumpers everywhere. So yeah, here's a battery pack right here, resting in this little container. It's actually tightly packed in there, so it doesn't move very much, as well as the H bridge. This is a unique design. I put the H bridge on here because it had space, and in order to save space, I figured that should be fine. As well as putting the zip tie on here so that it could stay. And it's far enough away from the heatsink that I don't think it'll melt. It's a safe distance, and it's safe from any other of the main electronics. Yeah, so this battery's hooked up right there. So when I go and I start pushing buttons, I actually should stand this up. But anyways, so I go and I start pushing buttons. So I'm pushing button 2, and button 2 is triggering the right wheel, as it should. And I'm pushing button 4. Button 4 is triggering the left wheel, as it should. Now, it goes when I push them together, but I'm gonna just try to stand this boy up on something so that it doesn't decide to drive away. Problem is, it's got a lot of ground clearance. So I'm gonna push both at the same time. All right, so it's pretty good. I'm gonna push both again. And I'm gonna hit the collision button. 3, 2, 1. See? My fingers are just fat. But the collision stops it when it's both are going and when one is going. All right. So drives left, it drives right, it drives straight. It also stops when a collision is blessed. My grounding implement, because I do not have any aluminum foil, I used a cable that I had stripped, and the stand back here pushes the cable down into the ground, so thus making it a grounding implement, as it is connected to the ground right over here in this far corner, right there. And so, yep, that's my robot. It functions and does what it's supposed to.